Hi guys, and welcome back to another video.
In this video, we're going to be showing you how to get to Holbox Island from Cancun.
We've seen loads of people asking this question online, so we're going to show you in video format how to get there. So if you're staying at the beach strip, the first stop on the agenda is to get the R1 bus from a bus stop just across from the mall. We'll show you on the video where it is though, and then we'll take it from there, really, won't we?
Yeah, so we need to go to the downtown bus stop in Cancun.
We'll let you know how much it is.
R1 downtown bus stop.
Let's go. So this is the outside and the bus stop. It's right there. Like so old G Davies there. And then this is what you're looking at. I will pin it on a map and leave it in the description below so you know what you're looking out for.
So you actually wait at the R2 bus stop to flag the R1 bus down. Just pop your arm out when you see it and it pulls up for you.
So we've just got off the R1 bus, which was absolutely mad. The guy was blasting the tunes, it was so good. And now we're going to cross the road, go to the AVO bus station and hopefully get our ticket to Holbox.
How much was our bus ticket?
I gave him 30 pesos for both of us, so I think it was 25, but I just kind of walked off. Hopefully there's a bus at 10:30, so we'll see.
Quick.
Okay, quick,
Yeah.
I've got the quick.
And one top tip is download Maps.me if you don't have cellular like us, so that you can check to see when you're supposed to get off, because it's quite confusing. You have to go up and over a bridge to get to the bus station on the other side.
Oh, that is AVO.
But we didn't know what we were doing, so we have to just ask people. But yeah, download Maps.me so you can see a map offline and then follow the bus so you don't have to awkwardly ask at every stop, bus. Everyone was really friendly anyway and helpful, so not to worry. But yeah, next stop, bus, let's go. AVO bus station. So once you get into the AVO bus station, there's like a place to queue up which says tickets for everything, so you can go there. And then we paid 1,092 pesos, about £20 per person each, and that's for the bus and for the ferry as well. We just thought for ease, I think you can buy it at the ferry port, but for ease we'd just rather buy it all together now. We don't know how long it's going to take. I've heard either 2.5 hours or 3 hours and 15 minutes, but we'll update you when we're on the bus. So quite a few buses you could get. I think there's like eight departing for the day, but our bus leaves at 11. So currently just queuing right now to get on the bus. Have to wear a mask.
When buying your tickets, you can state Holbox as your final destination. However, your bus will say Chiquila, as that is the town where the ferry takes off from.
It's got a toilet. Got to take your mask off. But yeah, and we had reserved seats, so we didn't have to fight anyone for seats either. Quite a lot of leg room, so it looks quite comfortable. Happy days. Happy?
Yeah.
See how long this takes.
After 2.5 hours, we arrived at Chiquila. Just 10 metres from the bus stop is where you can buy your ferry tickets. If you did get them at the bus terminal, then you also need to exchange them at this hut for your official ferry ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias.
We got.
Yes, okay.
Then turn right on the main road and walk straight, which will take you to the ferry port. Here you can see all the times the ferry departs.
2 p.m.
They are super regular, so you don't need to plan around timings for the ferry. Also, on a side note, when you come back onto the mainland, you can pay to get yourself and your luggage cycled to your next stop in these little vehicles. The ferry was such an enjoyable trip. Wind in your hair, sun on your back, all that kind of jazz. We even got some onboard entertainment.
Isla Paradiso, Spanish for island paradise that we're arriving at.
So we've arrived at our hostel.
It looks very, very good, and we got upgraded for an extra night in a private room, which is buzzing. But altogether, from Hotel Zone to Holbox, it cost a total of 1,120 pesos, and it took 3.5 hours door to door.
Yeah, roughly. So it was a pretty easy journey, wasn't it?
Yes, and to be fair, it was a pretty chill journey, so I'm not complaining. But
straightforward, definitely.
I think the main tip is just get yourself down to downtown Cancun bus station, and then buy a ticket from there, and it's really easy.
And then it just bam, 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 really, really simple. So I think we were a bit worried because we were a bit rusty this time, but it was so easy. So definitely do it. Next video will be us in this beautiful place of Holbox. It already looks stunning. But anyway, we're gonna go out and enjoy the pool party that's on. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. See you next for the next one.
Drinks.